Hey, what's up? This is Wise Will. This is just a quick review of a sneaker pickup I did earlier. So these are they're kind of like Puma Suedes, but they're actually called Puma Suede Triplex. Triplex. I can't talk today. So got these from Foot Locker. They're cool, kind of like the Puma Suedes. So they got like a little extra design on them. So the tag, they were on sale for $50, but once they rung them up, they were actually $30. So this a little cool pickup, just a little cool shoe to rock. Might do a video later and just show you how they look on feet. And this video is kind of crazy. It's hard to get a good angle. I'm still in my car, so but just. Look cool kicks pickup, especially for $30.